Hello everyone and welcome to Byte Nihongo. If you are preparing for the JLPT N3 exam and listening feels difficult or confusing, you are not alone. In this series, we will work through JLPT N3 listening step by step, following the structure and level of Shin Kanzen master so that you can feel more confident before the exam. In this video, we begin with JLPT N3 Listening Lesson 1. This lesson focuses on a very important listening skill called task understanding. Task understanding means listening to a conversation and deciding what action should be taken. In JLPT N3 listening, you are not listening just to recognize words. You are listening to understand the purpose of the conversation and make a correct decision. In this type of question, you will first hear a short situation or task. After that, you will listen to a brief conversation. Finally, you will hear a question asking what should be done. Your goal is to choose the most appropriate answer based on the situation. Many learners think they need to understand every single word in the conversation, but that is not true. You do not need perfect comprehension to answer correctly. What matters most is understanding the overall situation and the goal of the conversation. A common mistake is choosing an answer just because you heard familiar words. Another mistake is selecting an option that sounds polite or positive without thinking about whether it actually solves the problem. Some learners panic when they miss one sentence, but missing a sentence does not mean you cannot answer the question. The correct way to approach task understanding questions is very simple. First, pay close attention to the task sentence at the beginning. Ask yourself what decision you need to make. Next, think about who is speaking, where the conversation is happening, and why the speakers are talking. During the conversation, listen for problems, requests, limitations, and final decisions. When choosing your answer, select the option that logically solves the problem, matches the goal of the conversation, and makes sense in real life. For example, imagine a situation where a man wants to submit a document, but the office is about to close. The staff explains certain rules and time limits. When you are asked what the man should do, you should not choose the answer with the most Japanese words or the one you heard first. You should choose the option that best fits the situation logically. In the next video, we will do real JLPT N3 style listening practice. You will hear original listening questions, pause to choose your answer, and then listen to a clear explanation of why one option is correct and the others are not. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Byte Nihongo, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the practice video.